Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get list of clients using admin REST API in Keycloak. So let's get started. Now I already have a Keycloak instance running with the help of Docker on my local setup using this particular command. Now I just need to go to localhost:8080 and it will just open my Keycloak instance for me. I'll just enter the credentials, which is admin. I'll click on sign in. Now to use this Keycloak admin REST API, you need to create a client. For that you can just go to clients, create client. Here you can just give it some client ID. I'll just give it as my client over here. Then I'll just click on next. I'll enable this client authentication. I'll enable this direct access grant. I'll click on next again and I'll click on save. Then I can just scroll down and not scroll down, I'm going to go to credentials. Now we require this client secret, so I'll just copy this. Now first you need to generate an access token. So for that you will have to go to this particular URL. So the base URL is localhost:8080. That's where my Keycloak server is hosted. Then /realms/ whatever is the realm name, which is master over here. Then /protocol/openid connect/token. Okay, then here we need to pass the username and password. So for me it is admin, and grant type is password. Client ID is my client, so that's the client which I have created. If you have given it some different name, you will have to change it. And here I need to paste my own client secret, so I'll just paste it over here. I'll click on send and it generates an access token for me. Do note the access token is only valid for 1 minute. Now to get the list of all clients, again here we have to use I need to use localhost:8080, but you can just again change your own domain name. One more thing which I want to specify, this is a realm name. By default there is a master realm in Keycloak. If you want you can create your own realm as well, but I'm not going into that. So here again /admin/realms, and here I can just name it as master again, and inside the headers it takes the access token. So I'll just remove this particular part and paste in the actual access token. So again I'll just come over here, I'll generate a new one because the older one might have expired. So I'll just copy this particular part. I'll go to list of all clients, I'll just paste it over here. I'll click on send, and here you can see it has received all the client ID. So one client ID is account, okay, other client ID is account console. If you want to see the clients, you can just go to the client. Here you can see account console, admin. Here you can see we also created our my client as well, right? So if you want you can see that as well. So just go scroll down and you should be able to, I'll just search for it just to save time. Here you can see my client was also created. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. Bye.